Today we're shooting some B-roll for a brand story for Affordable Medicare Solutions. What's B-roll? B-roll is just the extra footage that we shoot to support the story of the brand story. So if you consider the interview, the storytelling part of it, to be the A-roll, then the B-roll is the extra footage that we shoot to support that story. It makes it a little more interesting. We're here at FODAC, which is Friends of Disabled Adults and Children, because this is where Affordable Medicare Solutions come and volunteer every now and then, and that's part of their story, how they give back to the community. So me shooting here today, some B-roll. All right, we're done shooting the B-roll here for Affordable Medicare Solutions at the Friends of Disabled Adults and Children. So we shot the brand story interview 10 days ago, and I also shot some B-roll in the office that day. But because of the volunteering aspect to their story, I came back 10 days later, drove an hour, shot the footage today because it's an important part of their story. And that's also why I don't charge day rates and I don't charge by the hour. I charge by the project because every project's different. And if I need to spend extra time getting additional footage on different days because of a certain aspect of a story, I'm going to do it because that's what it takes. And I believe that's my responsibility to my client to do whatever it takes to tell their story. So this brand story is going to talk about Affordable Medicare Solutions and what they do, and more importantly, why they do it, which is to make sure seniors don't get scammed by robocalls and get ripped off and things like that. That's why they're in business, to help people. And so an important part of their story is volunteering and giving back to their community, which really has nothing to do with Medicare, but it speaks to the heart of the company and what's behind the brand. And that is the focus of the brand story, is like, who is the person behind the brand? Who are the people behind the brand? What are they passionate about? What do they care about? And why are they in business? It's not just about what you do, but why you do it.